Good part of the day. My name is Kamila Mulajanova. My ID number is 1715 and I'm a student of Westminster University.
Hi, I am Diana, marketing manager of Kia Uzbekistan.
Today I will be taking an interview about Kia's company and its enterprises. As talking about for a piece of Kia, I wanted to firstly ask you, in your opinion, in Uzbekistan, how long is the normal product life cycle for Kia cars? How does Kia manage the various stages of a product's life cycle?
Well, a product life cycle can differ in length depending on several variables, including market demand, technological development, and competition. The product life cycle for cars in the automotive industry can last anywhere from few years to a decade or more. And the average product life cycle of Kia Motor is 3 years, and also people typically update their cars every 3.5 years. And the business now introduces an entire new line of products, which may also include limited edition models. Customers are prepared to switch automobiles, and Kia is giving them new options, which encourages brand loyalty. And I believe this is a successful marketing strategy.
Second question is, how does Kia Uzbekistan decide on its automobile pricing strategies? Do they consider any elements when setting prices?
Well, first is value-based pricing, and our company Kia frequently uses this method of pricing in which the cost of our cars is established in accordance with the perceived values they provide to customers. And when determining prices, elements including features, quality, performance, and brand reputation are also considered. And second is competitive pricing. When setting the cost of our vehicles, Kia Uzbekistan also considers the pricing tactics used by its rivals, while considering elements like product differentiation and market demand. We attempt to give clients with competitive pricing that is in line with the market and also adds value. Also, price discounts and incentives. And Kia Uzbekistan frequently runs price discounts and incentives to draw clients and boost sales. I believe this could be deals that give clients extra value, including cashback incentives, discounts, unique financing choices, or packages. Also, regional pricing based on regional variables such as local marketing conditions, taxes, import levies, and currency exchange rates. Our company may modify its pricing strategy. This enables us to adjust to market circumstances and maintain our competitiveness across diverse geographies.
What marketing techniques does Kia Uzbekistan use to draw in customers? Do they employ any marketing strategies or campaigns to advertise their cars?
Well, like many other automakers, Kia Uzbekistan uses a variety of marketing strategies to draw customers and promote our vehicles. I can provide you some examples of typical strategies employed in the auto sector. Well, advertising to reach a large audience and build the brand awareness, Kia Uzbekistan employs conventional advertising platforms including television, print media, and billboards. We also make use of digital advertising channels, including search engine marketing, social media advertising, and online display advertising. Also, promotional programs and incentives provided by Kia Uzbekistan to entice buyers to buy our automobiles. And discounts, unique financial alternatives, rebate deals, and maintenance packages at no cost are few examples of our promotional programs. And also, I should add test drives and events to give potential consumers hands on experience and present Kia's newest models. Kia Uzbekistan hosts test drive events or take part in auto exhibits and trade shows.
How do you think Kia's marketing and sales efforts are affected by Uzbek consumer behavior? When targeting the Uzbekistan market, does Kia consider any trends or preferences?
Well, that's a good question. Uzbek customer behavior affects Kia's marketing and sales efforts in several different ways, actually. First of all, when creating our marketing tactics, Kia considers the tastes and trends of Uzbekistan customers. We carry out market research to comprehend the requirements and preferences of Uzbek market, including desired vehicle kinds, features, and price points. While Kia also considers the social and cultural elements that affect consumer behavior in Uzbekistan. We modify our marketing strategies to appeal to the locals, considering our language, customs, and values. For instance, Kia Uzbekistan emphasizes the vehicle's dependability and longevity, which are crucial for Uzbek customers. Overall, Kia's marketing and sales initiatives in Uzbekistan are geared at the tastes, fashions, and purchasing power of the local population. And Kia wants to reach and interact with potential customers in Uzbekistan in an efficient manner by comprehending and adjusting to the local market.
Okay, next, in what ways does Kia Uzbekistan guarantee client loyalty and satisfaction? Does Kia use any customer service programs or initiatives to improve the overall customer experience?
Through the implementation of several customer service programs and initiatives, Kia Uzbekistan places a high priority on fostering client loyalty and satisfaction. By offering excellent after sales support, Kia can assure customers satisfaction in several important ways. We have a network of accredited service facilities all throughout Uzbekistan staffed with qualified mechanics who provide Kia car maintenance, repairs, and original replacement components. In the long run, this helps to preserve the car's performance and dependability, assuring customer happiness. Also, Kia is committed to fostering long-lasting relationship with their clients by providing them individualized care and assistance. Kia has devoted customer service staff on hand to respond to any questions or any worries that clients may have. Well, I believe this proactive approach aids in rapid problem solving and improves the general client experience. In addition to these measures, Kia Uzbekistan actively solicits customer feedback to improve the goods and services throughout the time. Kia values client feedback and take it into account when updating their vehicles and customer service procedures. Well, overall, Kia Uzbekistan aims to ensure customers' pleasure and loyalty by offering superior after sales care, individualized attention, warranty programs, and aggressively searching out customer feedback. These customer service initiatives and activities help Kia to forge enduring relationships with its clients while also enhancing entire customer experience.
Okay, moving to the brand image of our company, how could you sum up Kia's reputation in Uzbekistan?
In Uzbekistan, Kia has developed a solid image, with customers regularly linking the brand with several significant traits. Kia is well known for its dependability and toughness. Customers have a favorable opinion of the brand because of the durability and performance of Kia vehicles.
What are the main qualities or associations the customers frequently connect the Kia brand with?
Kia is renowned for providing a variety of vehicles to suit various consumer tastes and requirements. In Uzbekistan, Kia offers options that appeal to a wide range of customers, including compact cars, sedans, SUVs, and electric vehicles. Furthermore, Kia is frequently linked to cutting edge features and current styling. Along with the cutting edge technologies and safety features that we offer, Kia automobiles are attractive and modern appearance are highly regarded by customers. And Kia is well known for its dedication to customer satisfaction and post purchase support. Well, the fact that certified repair centers, skilled technicians, and extensive warranty plans are readily available adds to the picture of Kia as a company that values its customers' support and welfare. Overall, I believe attributes like dependability, a broad selection of vehicles, contemporary design, an aggressive pricing, and a keen focus on customer satisfaction are what distinguish Kia in Uzbekistan. The favorable perception of Kia brand among Uzbek consumers is a result of these associations.
Okay, how has Kia Uzbekistan developed and preserved its reputation for quality throughout time, do you think?
Well, through several strategies and initiatives that have helped establish a strong reputation in the Uzbek market, Kia Uzbekistan has built and maintained its reputation for quality. Well, there are so many crucial elements that proves and the elements that I have already mentioned before.
Are there any tactics or programs that you can name that have helped Kia build such a solid reputation in the Uzbek market?
Of course, first is high quality vehicles that continuously match consumer expectations have been provided by Kia. Kia makes sure that the cars keep their reputation for toughness and performance by putting an emphasis on manufacturing procedures, quality control, and employing dependable parts. Also, after sales support, Kia Uzbekistan has built a solid network of accredited service locations staffed with qualified mechanics. This guarantees that clients will receive efficient after sales support, including upkeep, fixes, and genuine replacement parts. And marketing and branding. Kia's marketing initiatives in Uzbekistan emphasize the excellence and dependability of the automobiles, and Kia maintains its reputation for quality and cultivates trust in prospective customers through advertising campaigns, endorsements, and the presentation of technology developments. Finally, community engagement. Kia Uzbekistan interact with the neighborhood through a range programs including corporate social responsibility initiatives, partnerships, and also sponsorships. Kia strengthens its standing as a responsible and reliable brand by actively taking part in neighborhood improvement projects and lending to a hand to regional concerns.
And what distinguishing characteristics of its brand does Kia Uzbekistan prioritize to stand out from rivals? Do Kia's branding efforts involve any visual or auditory components such as logos or jingles?
Well, very good question. Kia Uzbekistan focuses on several distinctive qualities to set the company apart from competitors, and these consists of design, technology improvements, value for money, and also high priority on design. Well, Kia differentiates itself from rivals by emphasizing contemporary and fashionable design aspects in their vehicles. Their cars are frequently have sleek lines, recognizable grilles, and eye-catching accent, which add to the car's distinct brand character. And technology improvements and unique features are highlighted by Kia Uzbekistan in the automobiles by including cutting edge features like sophisticated safety systems and connection options. Kia distinguishes itself as a company that values innovation and keeps up with the latest trends. And value for money, Kia gives customers cheaper options without sacrificing quality or performance, with competitive pricing and value for their money. Overall, I believe Kia Uzbekistan places a high priority on design, innovation, and value for money and distinctive qualities to separate out from the competitors. And to establish a distinctive brand identity, company uses visual features like logos and possibly other components like jingles, as you mentioned.
Okay, how does Kia Uzbekistan go about planning products? What elements are considered when creating new car models or upgrading current ones?
When developing new automobile models or updating current ones, Kia Uzbekistan plans its goods by considering a variety of factors. Well, to develop a wise product judgment, the company considers market trends and customer preferences. And to uncover new demands and preferences, this involves reviewing market research data and looking at consumer reviews and keeping an eye on business developments, of course.
Do they consider market trends or consumer preferences when making product decisions?
Well, of course, to make sure that the products meet consumer expectations and market demands, Kia Uzbekistan also considers aspects like performance, design, safety features, technological improvements, and pricing. And Kia Uzbekistan strives to create vehicles that connect with their target market and satisfy their changing demands by considering market trends and consumer preferences into the product planning process. This is very important.
Okay, last but not least about brand image of the company. How does Kia Uzbekistan make sure that the needs and preferences of the Uzbek market are met by the products it offers? Exist any specialized methods for collecting consumer input or market research to help with product planning?
Okay, well, I will try to answer shortly. Kia Uzbekistan uses unique techniques for gathering customer feedback and doing market research to make sure the demands and preferences of the Uzbek market are addressed. The company employs a variety of strategies such as surveys, focus groups, and systems for client feedback. All of them are to get information directly from Uzbekistan customers. And by using these techniques, Kia Uzbekistan can comprehend the demands, preferences, and expectations of the regional market. And to obtain important market intelligence, Kia Uzbekistan also actively observes market trends, analyzes competitors, and works with nearby dealerships. And to ensure that the company's offerings are in line with the demands and tastes of the Uzbek market, Kia Uzbekistan makes educated decisions during product development process by combining consumer input and market research.
And finally, moving to the Porter's five forces, what does Kia Uzbekistan think about how fierce the rivalry is the auto sector? Are there any elements that the market's level of competition is influenced by?
Very good question. The strong competition in the auto industry is something that Kia Uzbekistan is aware of, and the company is aware of how cutthroat the market is. And the company is aware that the dynamics of the sector are significantly shaped by rivalry. Several factors, such as that I will mention now, have an impact on the level of competitiveness into the auto industry. Well, the first is market demand. The market's demand for automobiles has an impact on the amount of competition. More competitors enter the market as demand rises, escalating the competition. And the second is product offerings. The variety and caliber of products that various automakers offer have an impact on the market's level of competition. The level of competition is impacted by the diversity of car types, features, and pricing alternative on the market. Also, the pricing and perceived value in the competitive market. Pricing tactics and perceived value of automobiles are key factors, actually. Automakers with competitive pricing and good value will probably have an advantage in the market. Last is marketing and promotion. The level of competitiveness may be impacted by the success of marketing and promotional initiatives. Well, automakers who can engage with customers, successfully convey their brand message, and showcase their unique selling propositions may have a competitive advantage. Well, in general, Kia Uzbekistan is aware of the fierce competition in the auto industry, and is aware of the fact that a variety of factors, including market demand, product offerings, brand reputation, price, and marketing and promotion, affect the level of competitiveness in the market. We do work to stay ahead of the competition by analyzing clients' wants and constantly upgrading our products.
Okay, what potential dangers do recent market entries provide to Kia's Uzbekistan's leadership position? How does Kia contract these dangers and preserve its competitive edge?
I believe Kia places a strong emphasis on ongoing innovation to keep one step ahead of rivals. By making research and development investments, Kia delivers innovative technology, features, and designs that set the company's automobiles apart from recently arrived competitors. This aids Kia in maintaining the company's competitive edge and luring buyers looking for the newest innovations. And also, Kia used its excellent reputation and branding to offset the effects of new competitors entering the market. By highlighting the Kia's well-established history of excellence, dependability, and client contentment, Kia fosters consumer loyalty and trust, making it more difficult for new rivals to establish a footing. And Kia places a high priority on comprehending and satisfying client demands. Kia makes sure that its products and services are in line with the customer preferences by doing market research, obtaining customer feedback, as I mentioned before, and providing personalized experience. And this focus on the needs of customers aids Kia in retaining its base of devoted clients and fending off rivals. Generally, Kia Uzbekistan provides competitive pricing and value for money, which helps mitigate the potential threat posed by new market entrants. Kia preserves its attraction to price conscious clients and maintains its competitive position by offering affordable solutions without sacrificing the quality.
What threats do substitutes pose to the car sector according to the Kia Uzbekistan? Are there any new technology or transportation alternatives that would seriously hamper Kia's products?
I believe the popularity of electric vehicles and other alternative fuel vehicles is one of the main replacements that Kia Uzbekistan might consider according to the threats. Electric vehicles are becoming more and more popular as the need for ecologically friendly transportation rises. And to keep up with the times and offer electric vehicles, Kia Uzbekistan has already added the Kia Soul electric vehicle and Kia Niro electric vehicle to the company's lineup. And the development of ride sharing services and driverless vehicles may also be known to Kia Uzbekistan accordingly. The traditional car ownership paradigm could be upended by these technologies, which could also affect the market for private auto sales. And Kia Uzbekistan seeks to reduce that the threat provided by alternatives and make sure that the company's goods remain relevant and competitive in the shifting transportation sector by adopting new technology, modifying their product offer, and consistently upgrading their vehicles.
How does Kia Uzbekistan handle the suppliers' negotiating position? Are there any plans or alliances in place to guarantee a reliable supply chain and a good supply relations?
Well, first thing comes to my mind is supplier development programs. And to improve capabilities and performance of the suppliers, Kia Uzbekistan adopt supplier development programs. These activities could involve collaboration, assistance, and training programs aimed at enhancing supply chain quality, effectiveness, and innovation. Also, Kia Uzbekistan creates strategic ties with important suppliers. These alliances entail improved communication, coordinated planning, and common objectives. And Kia Uzbekistan and the company's suppliers can collaborate to streamline procedures, cut expenses, and improve the efficiency of the whole supply chain by establishing strategic collaborations and evaluation and performance monitoring of suppliers also. And Kia Uzbekistan probably regularly evaluates and monitors the performance of the company suppliers. This makes it easier to guarantee that providers adhere to their demands for quality, delivery, and price. By regularly observing supplier performance, Kia Uzbekistan quickly addresses any problems. Also, Kia Uzbekistan encourages collaboration and open communication with its suppliers to address any issues and enhance the overall supplier relationship. Company may hold frequent meetings, feedback sessions, and problem solving sessions. Well, I do believe by putting these tactics into practice, Kia Uzbekistan hopes to create a solid supply chain, sustain positive relationship with its suppliers, and guarantee a constant supply of high quality parts and materials for the cars.
How does Kia Uzbekistan deal with the market's potential for haggling between buyers?
Kia Uzbekistan uses a transparent price and negotiation procedure, informing clients in detail of the available options and pricing structure. This strategy fosters trust and eliminates the need for protracted haggling. And Kia Uzbekistan combats the likelihood of haggling in the market by providing competitive pricing, value added services, open pricing and negotiation procedures, and customer satisfaction initiatives, of course.
Okay, does Kia use any price or customer-centric initiatives to draw in and keep customers in the face of overwhelming buying power?
Initiatives are Kia Uzbekistan has customer satisfaction initiatives in place to guarantee that consumers have a great ownership experience. And these initiatives might include effective after sales support, post purchase follow ups, and individualized assistance. Kia wants to establish lasting connections with clients and promote repeat businesses. Therefore, it puts a high priority on customer satisfaction.
Last but not least, concluding our interview, what would you say is the level of competition between the current players in the Uzbek automotive market? And are there any elements that contribute to the level of rivalry between Kia and other auto markets?
The Uzbek automobile market is subject to a substantial amount of competition. The competition between Kia and other automakers is fueled by several factors, of course. And the first is market share. In Uzbekistan, there is a fierce competition among automakers for market share because every brand wants to take a bigger share of the market, and there is a trend maze competition for customers and sales. And second is product offerings. The variety and the caliber of product options greatly influence the level of competition. Automakers complete to offer cars that satisfy Uzbekistan customers and various wants and preferences. And this covers elements including design, features, performance, and the cost. And thirdly, and marketing and promotion. Powerful marketing and advertising tactics have a big effect on the level of competitiveness. Automobile manufacturers spend money on sponsorships, advertising campaigns, and other marketing initiatives to stand out from the competition. And lastly, after sales service. The level of competition may be affected by the effectiveness of after sales service, which includes maintenance, repairs, and customer assistance. Excellent after sales service may give automakers an advantage in terms of customer satisfaction and loyalty.